This project we're going to build, it's another SpriteKit game. It's called Pachinko, although a lot of people know it by the name of Peggle. We're going to work with physics, blend modes, radians, CG float, and NS keyed on Archiver. And what you can do is you click the edit button, go ahead and lay down some random obstacles. And there's ways to extend this game, and you'll find out about that toward the end of the project. Then we click on Done, and then where you can just drop the balls, and the goal is to get them into the green slots. And you can see they blow up nicely. Our score increments when that happens. So you can put these slots anywhere you want and set them up any way you want. If you want to add more, just go ahead and add more to make the game more interesting. And then we go into ball creation mode. So this is the game we'll be building called Pachinko, and this is up next.